Holla if you hear me. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me, and maybe we can have peace someday. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of the car, get up. Cause it's time to make the payback fat. To my brothers on the block, better stay strapped. Black, and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, tell the truth from the old school. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. Case you can't see the story from the other week. Now we got them in the smash, blast. How long will it last till the pro get more cash? Until then, raise up, some of young black men blaze up. Like some no stress, test. I'm giving what we thankful that you're living blessed. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free it, if not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out scrap. Keep your hands in your gap, now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys I'm Cali, I'ma tell ya. Mess with the best and the best can help you. Scream if you feel me, see it clearly. You're too near me, holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. Bump your fist like this. Holla if you hear me. If you're pissed to the sellouts, living it up. One way or another, you be giving it up. I guess cause I'm black born, I'm supposed to say peace, sing songs and get capped on. When it's time for a new plan, bam, I'll be swinging like a one-man plan. Here we go, turn it up, don't stop. Tell my homies on the block, getting dropped by cops. I'm still around for ya, keeping my sound on the ground for ya. And I'ma throw a change up, quit it, you never put my name up. Now my homies in the back streets, can feel me when they're early in their fat cheeks. This ain't just a rap song, a black song, telling all my brothers get they strap on. And look for me in the struggle, hustling till other brothers trouble. Holla if you hear me. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. Will I quit? Will I quit? They claim that I'm violent, but still I kick. Representing, never give up on a good thing. We'll stop it if we could, it's a hood thing. And now I'm like a major threat, cause I remind you of the things you were made to forget. Putting it on to all my boys, know the real from the buses and the T-codes. And if you hustle like a real G, pump your fists if you feel me, holla if you hear me. Learn to survive in the non-trick. I make crime pay, I just make crime pay. Whatever it takes to live and stand, if nobody else I give a damn. So we live like cash beats, wait for the day to let the waves free. Still me till they kill me, I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear 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 me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. You're too near me, see it clearly. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me. I love it when they fear me. Holla if you hear me.
Nasty now.
Yeah, I'm not touching it anymore.
Oh god.
I think Spencer needs to cut this for you. Yeah.
My hair's thick, bro. This is so terrible. This is the worst social distancing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, I'm freaking bleeding. Bruh.
Wait, just do it softly with love.
Yes. When was... Yeah. Oily stools are bad.
Hey Daniel.
Come on, Dan, get out of your phone and socialize.
I was texting my dad.
Say hi to your dad.
Came. I did say hi to my dad.
No, on the camera.
Hi, Dad. I know you watch. You're the only person watching the videos.
Yeah, I don't watch them.
I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time.
my favorite part.
What's up, bud?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you are. Look at that. Look how beautiful he looked with that stash, though.
The drunk can't.
What's up, dude? It's so bright. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? You have a flash on that thing?
No, don't look at it. Why are you looking at it? Don't look at the light, David.
Has cleaned their room today?
No, we're just really tired. Dude, what did you do to your hair? Like, did you do anti-do your hair? I've never seen your hair actually messy.
Yeah.
It always looks the same.
Yeah.
And then today it's messy. Are you okay? Are you drunk right now?
Yeah.
Do you ever get nervous? Alright, we're headed to track for day 2.
We're gonna go get some Starbucks first, though.
Why the T-Bag? Where are you from?
This is my new profile picture.
Huh?
This is my new profile picture so my mom can see.
It's a video.
Hi,
but-
Mom.
Damn.
What's up, girl? Other child.
Your car right after it was like painted pink.
Something of those sorts. That's a. Wow.
Stand right here on the door. You got it? Oh, that's rad.
Okay, Daniel.
We've been in line at In-N-Out for like an hour and a half, and we are just now able to smell the cheeseburgers. That's how close we're getting.
And we're running out of gas.
Yeah, and we have 24 miles left, and we started this adventure with like 50. And we've gone 0.3 of a mile. We're literally melting inside of this car right now. We're dying. We got 12 miles left. Let's do it like the Blair Witch Project. We've got like 12 miles left in the gas tank. And
I've never seen this movie, but I heard about it.
I heard about it. We'd be walking around the woods. We've actually started eating little bits of Jake while we've been in here. It's a little gristly. John, don't die on me right now.
I'm hallucinating.
This is, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, we're here. Wait. I'm adjusting all this ISO and stuff. Go back to auto.
Hi, how are you today?
Running out of gas. Sean, what did she just say about?
She said we're getting those 17 cheeseburgers for you.
There are 17 cheeseburgers coming into this car right now, right? Yeah, something like that. Jake, the back of your head looked ridiculous.